go, young one. So you are the one seeking wisdom for the ancient art of video editing. My ancestors were video editors, and they passed on this sacred scroll to me. After reading it, I was able to get 200 million views on YouTube, thousands of dollars, and build myself a cool life in Bali where I have to only work like 2-3 days a week, which is pretty fucking cool. Now, it's your turn to learn the secret, so let's go. Constructive versus destructive editing. So there's two types of editing. Constructive and then we got destructive editing. Constructive editing means that at any point you can undo the change you've made without hitting Ctrl Z. While destructive editing means that once you've made a change, it's there forever and you can't undo it unless you start the process all over again. Let's say we're editing a video and we have these pop sound effects and some images popping up on screen and we want to get rid of it. If we delete them but then later on decide to add them back in, we cannot do that, and that is called destructive editing. But let's say before doing that we duplicate our sequence and do the change on the copied sequence. If we wish to go back to our original edit, we can just switch the sequence or copy from the original sequence, which is pretty nice. Another way to possibly do this is to go to your Premiere Pro folder and find the autosave folder in there, and Premiere Pro will autosave your project at different times. And to set when, go to edit, preferences, then autosave to adjust when it autosaves. Mine is set to every 5 minutes just in case stuff like that happens. And hey, do you wish you could start earning thousands of dollars or blow up your YouTube channel with video editing? And check my links below, dude. They're all there. I got courses, presets, one-to-one lessons from me. Go click the links below right now to check out what I'm offering. But if not, that's cool. Let's get back to the video. Number 2. Eye tracking. Our eyes can only focus on one thing at a time, and our eyes don't like darting around the screen oh, look here, look. We don't like that, right? It can be jarring. I'll play a 5-second edit with bad eye tracking, and then I'll play another one with good eye tracking.
The world's tallest man.
As you can see, the video flows and feels so much better when our eyes don't have to travel as much. It doesn't have to match pixel to pixel, but it shouldn't have our eyes dart from corner to corner. So the best way to be sure that we're doing good is to use the opacity feature, or just hit Ctrl D. That will dissolve it. It'll be like an opacity thing, and then just try to just sync up where the eye is looking. It'll just be a better video. We can also use motion to draw our eyes to different places like this. So maybe I put a thing here, focus here, and then I'll put a text here. That's fine, but we need to use motion to guide the eye. Number 3. Audio. If you're like most video editors, the concept of processing your audio probably scares the shit out of you.
What is it?
Audio processing.
That's okay, because I'm literally gonna tell you everything that you need to know right now, and you're no more gonna be scared, man. Go be scared of a fucking bear trying to kill you and not audio process. If you want your video to sound better, you need to do these 3 things: noise reduction, compression, set the levels, or normalize your audio. Let's say we have this audio of me. I'm talking right now. I'm recording this in a room with AC and a fridge running. So this is what I would sound like originally if I didn't process the audio. So yeah, it's not great. And here's exactly what I did so that my audio sounds more crisp or crispier. I don't know what. Correct me in the comments. Is it more crisp or crispier? Right click on the audio clip and pick edit clip on Adobe Audition. I suggest you do this before you get into cutting. But if you did the cutting and you're like, fuck, do I need to audio process each clip? No, just go into your project file and find the audio file there. You can do it like that. Then we're just gonna pick a part where there's noise but we're not talking. We're gonna go to effects, noise reduction, and then capture noise print, and go to noise reduction process. Then just hit Ctrl A to select everything. Hit space to preview what you're hearing. Then play with the settings till it kind of starts to sound good. And then you're just gonna hit enter or click OK. Afterwards, just go to effect, amplitude and compression, and pick tube model compressor. I usually use voice leveler, so just pick that, it's a preset there, and hit OK. Then adjust the gain from there, make sure it peaks at around -5 to -6 decibels. And there you go, that's our audio before, and here's our audio after. Congratulations. Number 4, creativity. This is one of the most important one that will set you apart from every other video editor. That's being unique, so just be creative, man. Develop your own style. YouTube is like full of, oh, Iman Gotzi, Mr. Beast, oh, this YouTuber style of edits, but what about your style, man? You know, just learn from the masters, learn from the good guys, but then you just have to develop your own style so that you stand out and people actually want to work with you. Or if you're a YouTuber, your videos have like that unique thing where people want to watch your videos because it's so different. You'll be more memorable and you will stand out more, which is the name of the game. Just be creative, and that's it from me, dude. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out the links below if you want to give me fucking money. Because money is good. It helps me like eat food and fucking not die. So yeah, if you want to get better at video editing, links below. You'll get better so much faster. And YouTube thinks you'll like this video, so go click on it right now and see ya.